Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from Bangladesh. I'm Shoma, working with the Bangladesh team. Now I'm going to share about our initiatives and actions on staff engagement uh, last year after last year staff engagement survey. Like other countries, our staff were happily participated in the staff engagement survey in mid-November 2019. As you know that we have a lot of diversity among the staff, different projects under different program in different areas. It wasn't possible to engage all staff in this survey. So 227 staff out of 318 were participated in this survey, and it covered almost 71.38% of total staff. Both online and paper copy were accepted. What has TLMI Bangladesh decided to address as a result of the staff engagement survey? As it was the first time survey among the staff, so we were eagerly waiting to get the results as well. At first, our country leader received the survey result and shared with advisory board, senior management team, and HR manager. He conducted a joint meeting with the advisory board and SMT member and share the results and analyzes these results, and also took their suggestions to develop our action plan. They also have identified some key areas to celebrate our successes and to improve some areas to do better in future. In the meeting, it was also decided that the program leaders and program coordinators will share this result with the different level and get their team-wise feedback to take effect in the action plan by March. How has TLMI Bangladesh communicated this with the staff? In previous slide, I already shared that in the board meeting, it was shared by the director, and as per decision, the program leaders and program coordinators were requested to share this result with their staff in the monthly staff meeting. And leaders are requested to share these results with a very positive way. And also they are requested to share the high score so that staff could be happy to be part of this organization, and also get their impression and opinion to do better healthy working environment where they could feel more valued and appreciated. What initiatives or actions have been planned for 2020? Yes, we have taken some initiatives to do better engage with the staff. We have celebrated special day, milestone and achievements. Example, just we have celebrated International Women Day in our office, and there we had a special devotion, and we have good reflection about the women contributions in our lives, families, and works as well. So both male and female staff were encouraged by the speech of the director and the senior management also, and we had a good time uh, together to have a tea, and we were talking about the importance of the message also. And we had a salary review this year, and we have a plan to facilitate some sessions on interpersonal skills in the monthly team meeting. We have a plan to arrange an annual retreat, and we share with our managers to appreciate our staff right after any successful event or after any significant work done by him or her. And learning, sharing, and fellowship, quality time with staff. We have a plan to mentoring and counseling with individual as necessary. And of course, we have to ensure effective communication, staff well-being, etc. Thank you very much for your patience to listen to my presentation. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Shima. That was really, really helpful, really clear, and a lot of good ideas there on your last slide that other people can hopefully benefit from in their countries as well. I really like this idea of celebrating things together as a community, and also what you'd said about appreciating staff and the work that they're doing. I think that's a really positive step, and also great to hear about the salary review that's been able to happen in Bangladesh this year. So really well done in all that you've been doing. And again, if anyone has questions or things that they'd like to talk about to Shima about, please do contact her.